Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes, art challenges to try in your own style. Today I am making a meditative musician inspired by Pablo Picasso's The Old Guitarist from the early 1900s. Try this art challenge with me by making a drawing, collage, painting, or other work of art of an instrumentalist in your own style expressing a mood or feeling of your choice. For this art challenge, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil to begin your sketch. This video, I will demonstrate the steps required to make a drawing of a cross-legged guitarist. Notice how I begin a light sketch with pencil to get all of the lines and shapes just right. I suggest beginning with a pencil also to better set yourself up for success. As you follow along, you might notice times when I needed to redraw a line once or twice or sometimes even 10 times more just to get it right. Use a pencil first, and you can always erase. As I outline my sketchy pencil lines with a crisp, bold Sharpie line, feel free to pause and follow along at your own pace so that you can make your own version of this drawing in your own style. This design is inspired by Pablo Picasso's The Old Guitarist. This painting is one of my favorites because it expresses so much emotion. This painting comes from Picasso's blue period of art making in which he primarily painted in a monochromatic blue color scheme. Many of the paintings from this period express feelings of sadness or despair because of the heavy use of the color blue. Color is the most expressive element of art. We can use color to express and understand emotions like sadness or depression. If blue can express sadness, what feelings could you express with the color red? Or yellow? Or any other color for that matter? These are really great questions for an artist to ponder while they work. I find that sometimes art and music can help me express and understand my own feelings that I am having. At times, having big feelings like sadness or anger can feel overwhelming and even frightening. The Old Guitarist by Pablo Picasso reminds me that it is okay to just sit with and feel your feelings. Acknowledging our feelings and the things that are causing those feelings is one way that we can overcome and move through those really big, hard emotions. All of that sketching, erasing, outlining, and more can be hard on your hands. Artists should take care of their bodies and their minds whenever making art. Check out this stretch and self massage you can try to make your hands and your mind feel happy. Simply interlace your fingers and press gently away until you feel an easy stretch in your fingers. Then use your thumb to massage the inside of the opposite hand. Repeat on the other side, and lastly, shake out any extra discomfort. I seriously recommend trying this whenever you're drawing and supporting hands feel tired. Your hands will thank you. If you are trying this art challenge, I encourage you to draw a moody musician expressing whatever mood or moods speak to you. I chose to make a self-portrait in a meditative pose with the guitar. I believe that as humans, we feel all feelings, so I decided to draw myself with a calm expression while being surrounded by the symbols and expressions of other feelings and emotions. In meditation, one's mind may experience a whole range of emotion. It is important to notice these, feel these, and let these pass. Meditation has helped me regulate my own emotions and feelings, so I am using this art challenge to express that idea. As I finish up my design with color and detail, try to become aware of how I use color to express each unique emotion. As you watch and learn, consider which moods you are going to express in your moody musician. I do hope that you try this art challenge for yourself. Simply make a work of art that shows a moody musician in your own style. This can be an emotional art challenge, so be sure to give yourself lots of love and praise while you're working and still after you are done. Remember that yours may turn out more like a doodle than a masterpiece. Either way, take pride in being the amazing artist that you are. Happy making, artists. Enjoy.